Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to check the previous versions of your Google Sheet. So to do this, all you need to do is click on this clock icon, click on it. So if you hover on the clock icon, it will show like when it was last time edited, or else you can come here and check the entire history, like when it was created and who made the changes. All sort of information you can see here in this section. Okay, so there are multiple versions you have. Let's say you want to see who actually did it, so you can see the arrow, so you can click on this down arrow, then you will be able to see like at which time who did the edits. Or you can you can check the changes. So in my case, let's say we have a change at 1:49 a.m. and then 2:24, 3:20, 3:34. So whenever you click on this time, so it will automatically show you the earlier version at this time. So if you want to restore, then click on this restore this version. It will go back and it will restore to at that particular time. So it will ask, are you sure if you want to restore it? Click on it and then it will be restored. So you can see it will be restored. Let's say if you don't want to be restored but a copy of the earlier version, all you need to do is click on the time which you want to a copy. Then you see three dots, click on it and then it says make a copy. So it will automatically give the name to the sheet, and then if you click on make a copy, so exactly the same version of the earlier sheet will be made as a copy. So you can use this instead of going to actual sheet and making the changes. So you can go back always and check what was the earlier of changes. Let's say there are so many changes happened and you want to know exactly what has happened, then you can always go back and make a copy of it and you can check. So that is it from my end. Thank you so much for